You are the worst performing appointee under the Mahama's government right now. Common data prices, you have not been able to reduce it.
Honorable, you just said some few days ago, say education pays. So that time now you're sure no. Na wabudi ni krata ni biwahu.
TikToker Asantewaa and many other TikTokers have a clash with Asantewaa, our Information and Communication Minister, concerning the issue of TikTok monetization, PayPal, and other conversation. Remember on Chirimuno Chirawadi Amame. Our comment section. I have Penyah block media. May say any demo. Obe like video, no other subscribe button, so now click notification icon for latest update. Now bet Chirawadi Amame. Our comment section. So baswa. Now share first any biashe. You know, Sam George had abedane Ken Oforiatta in MPP. Obe kaya. Abre Akufo-Addo reni akonya. Obetina Ghana so. Our appointee Ken Oforiatta as, finance minister. Less than a year. And MPP for na car said there be Akufo-Addo say saman we. Say sano na omo amemu no. Akufo-Addo enfi. At that time there were some of the MPP party members who were defending Oforiatta. But now no. NPP for enim guasie enum din sie nyina no efri Oforiatta so na ebaye. Ohe Sam Georgia. Sam George enya appointment ya. Ana ono ani party members NDC for say there be Mahama. Say Sam George, but still Sam George either so te a hold number as Information and Communication Minister. And as Sam Georgia. In fact, the posture, body language, or 100% busy. But when it comes to resource, I want no ministry anymore a zero. It's a case we busy for nothing. Sam George, concerned the arrest of Abu Trikano. Sam George akasa bibre. Emma enwich your granting interview and our chirimu say Ghana 4% or the TikTok monetization ever Ghana ha no more. Yekwana isa percent or the paper ever Ghana ha. But at the internet almost Abu Trikane, those who are engaging in fraud any other idea Ghana for say yene Sam George enya adwene. It is Sam George say percent nya TikTok monetization ever Ghana ha no more. Now if percent nya paper there any just say you cleaning up the system. Near you omo yes come na de nyina free honom ansa na morofo no amaye kwan na yetimi aye TikTok monetization ewo Ghana ha. Let's Sam George the TikTok monetization paper no link you to the rate at which cybercrime is increasing ewo Ghana ha. But yan sha de go hanamo. You share top 10 countries with the most fraudulent activities. We are seeing now 25 years. Who are listening here? Tanzania, Eddie Mountain Timai. Now about India, where your global fraud index. Tanzania, any decay. No about India. Who we are not better in Nigeria. No better in Indonesia. No better in Pakistan. USA, ewo movie. UK, ewo movie. China, ewo movie. And of Brazil. These countries, obi anya fraud ends ni omo. Omo ya fraud pa. But you TikTok monetization. USA TikTok monetization available. PayPal available honomo. UK TikTok monetization available. PayPal available. China available honomo. Nigeria kra ben ye no. PayPal available Nigeria. But Ghana Sam George claim say because of cyber fraud, ain't na paper any TikTok monetization any Ghana, but Nigeria will paper. UK ne America for you TikTok monetization as our paper. Obi anya fraud ends new. And okay, be my has Sam George and small can it be or would I get anything to defend Sam George? Okay, my top 10 countries with romance scam. And go ahead romance scam. And I was okay here. 205 Nigeria dikai area sinyina top 10 countries with romance scam. On say Abu take a case it is linked to romance scam. And romance scam Nigeria dikai. Now for about Ghana, it do Ghana almost say home to sàck boys. Ghana is a major source of sophisticated romance fraud and was a primary target in 2005 joint Interpol FBI sting. Let's say 2005 ana Interpol any FBI for Edu omani be see Ghana so. Ehonema Ghana ebeka, top 10 countries with romance scam. Etra me hwes wa Kenya yenko 2024 nko hwe. Se 2024 no, na Ghana eda so ka top 10 countries with romance scam ho a. 2024 list na eba ye no. Top 10 sources of romance scam perpetrators in the world 2024. Eba na say United States of America enedika. Countries omye romance scam pa. 2024 na USA enedika. No about Nigeria. No about India. No about United Kingdom. No about Malaysia. No about China. No about Philippines. No about Brazil. No about Canada. And so about Australia. Let's not Ghana. Any list nemo. Let's all him 205 way na. Almost as omo chichi shatawa lemo. Omo ma kwase meche, dada jo mo, Kofi Boat mo. Any other no. Eno na ma Ghana other list nemo in 2025. Na 2024 na arrest bi anko so no. Na Ghana encareless na say we can boldly say under this government ana ya add Ghana to countries with romance scam. Ye gu Ghana ni mu ase e we ase nyina. Ye gu ye ni mu ase. Because 2024 list na Ghana kan e then all of a sudden 2025 Ghana be can list no. But now no Sam George etire say ebenya TikTok monetization ne paper just say ya makoya me acheche boys no ne ade for engage meanwhile omo ahwehwe ni mu enu omo a invite FBI any link Ghana to other omo invite FBI for ne ade for ama Ghana yedi akọ global say ye romance scam but 24 list me yenka ho eno na comedians abusuya TikTokers for no Asantewaa mo any other TikTokers abe clash with Sam George na we ni nsemo mo catch Sam George.
My question for Honorable Sam George is very simple. And my question right now is, Honorable Sam George, please, the LGBTQ plus bill that you were all over the internet, somewhere 2022, 2023, thereabouts coming, that you were so energetic, wanting that bill to be signed, that they sent the bill to Parliament. The parliamentarians, they passed it. So it was left with Akufo-Addo to sign it into bill, to sign it into law, that Akufo-Addo was hesitating to sign it, that you were calling Akufo-Addo names. We saw everything happened in Ghana right now. We saw every single thing. My question right now is, where is the bill? Where is the LGBTQI plus bill? What are you doing to the bill right now? What has happened to the bill right now? We want to know. Ghanaians want to know, because that was another reason why Ghanaians had so much confidence in you. That was another main reason why that Ghanaians had so much confidence in you. That when NDC come into parliament, when NDC come into power, even that is the first thing that you, Sam George, you are going to lead the NDC to do before you do any other thing. My question for you right now is, where is the bill and what has happened to the bill? Ghanaians need answers from you right now. Ghanaians, they need answers from you right now. Since you are serious arresting Abutrika and all these people that you have said allegedly they have involved in cybercrime activities. We are all against that. But our question as Ghanaians right now is, where is the LGBTQI plus bill that you fought so much for, calling the Akufo-Addo names on it? Calling Akufo-Addo names that you made us believe as Ghanaians that even Akufo-Addo was in support of the LGBTQI plus bill. He don't want it to be signed. Akufo-Addo is this, Akufo-Addo is that. Calling Akufo-Addo names. Someone who is above 80 years plus, you were calling him names. So the bill right now, what has happened to the bill? Has the bill bent? Has the bill been stolen? Where is the bill right now? And if there is the bill, what are you doing to the bill right now? Because it is getting to a year since you resumed office as the Minister for Communications. Right now, your power, you have more power. In Akufo-Addo times, in 2024, you were just an MP. So you would think, say, okay, your power was limited. But right now, your party is in power and you are again a minister. So what are you doing to the bill? That is what we are waiting for. That is the big question that we are waiting for as Ghanaians. Because we are not going to sit down for you to arrest our people that we look up to in the society. Because you people have failed us. You people, you have failed us as Ghanaians. So there is this people like Ebutrika, Dada Joe, and these people that we are watching.
And this is Ghana and Penyah Bakwa. He just spoke to masses, say education pace. Now, honorable, time now you're show no. So time need them patron na certificate ni biana. Honorable, you just said some few days ago, say education pace. So time now you're show no. Na wabodi ni krata ni bi wahu. You see, some of us, we didn't add our voices just because we wanted to. We are feeling the heat, we are feeling the pain. We know how depressive it is. Only me, my family, my family, and not cry, my mother's side. My mother's side, we have 5 maybe school will go graduates. And yes, we school nikeke, omuni madie. One of Enkola, omubom, humodini pa, the whole family. Do ni madie wumpa, eka, omwe 5, or maybe really gone. Omuni 5 years in me, omiti. Honorable, don't your wife are no show. Obi a only wife, only auntie, only mother, only father, only Honorable on your ding. Honorable Kofasan on your ding. Those insulting me in various comment sections. Maybe I'm on if you are left with options like suicide and stealing, and a suicide and a show. Maybe you dear, you say, let me end it all. And that is how come we are getting people that are dying. People that Omankasa Efedru and they are shy, they cannot stand the heat, they cannot stand the disgrace that will come upon them. They will say, let me just take medicine and then die. And you people are not even shifting attention to the suicidal aspects of it. Before I continue, I think some of you are politicizing my voice. I am not an NDC member, I'm not an MPP member. Minto Abakrada. When it comes to that, I'm not patriotic because I don't believe in NDC, I don't believe in MPP. I like politically affiliated to any political party, like me best idea no. Because me who say be more and more comments in the crank me name say honorable now kasaya na me name ni dimpo me. I don't even know posi a friend. Mona mama who say friend Sam George. Na mona mama who say oh MPP say but me bajo. If I mean go for a party bia me bajo. MPP and this me na me time me patch me politically affiliated to any political party. I am a Ghanaian and I am adding my voice because my voice matters, because I am going through it, because I can also be part of the people that are on the streets with certificates. Degree holders are mobile because they don't have any option. Honorable, they now what option? Now what wife are obey to me a mouse, come money option no. Yeah, ye new piano, yana ye say you. Tell me kind no, obian for aboneso. But me, saka me options me no we say. Me new bia. And I have to go and rob and eat or choose to commit suicide. I won't commit the suicide. I'll choose what will make me happy. I will choose what can save my life. And if it has to do with robbery, if I have to steal to eat or die, I will steal to eat. Presley, we school, I will prepare Juma and my name says he said, with me, I born a home modern than a back of school. Into Penyah Jumaya, I'm a nisca to educating. Or call ya or compare Juma, or call ya work. One befibium. Because Ghana, a failino. Because what about the people that didn't die at Elwa Konomona? What about those people now? No more compare Juma. Mo from mom buy on big be brace stampede maybe mo ye be mo pray. What about mom pray and what about Oma on triannual mono or mokofi no? Still on my men on papa ne come on scatter January and it is school no more quiet some fast one saying. Wait and a year answer ye pay. Until then, ye bear better you need to be a. That's the hard truth.
We have 3 more men to pick up in the next few days, said by Sam George. You that have not been able to reduce common data prices as a communications minister, you have 3 more men to pick up in the next few days. You that have not been able to reduce common DSTV prices as a communications minister, you have 3 more men to pick up in the next few days. Tell me one single achievement as a communications minister. It has left with only 3 weeks to get into 1 year since you became the Minister for Communications. Tell me one single achievement that you have achieved since you resumed the office as the Communications Minister. You are not doing anything. If nobody is telling you, you are not doing anything. You are the worst appointee under Mahama's government. You are the worst appointee if nobody is telling you. Look at the work that Asantewaa is doing. Look at Asantewaa. Look at Sami Jemfi. Look at Honorable Haruna Idrisu. Look at them. Look at what they are doing in their field. You will barely see Asantewaa granting interviews that I am going to lock the dollar, I am going to do this, I am going to stabilize the economy. You will barely see Asantewaa talking. But you are everywhere talking. You that not doing anything. You are everywhere talking. Like you are everywhere. I don't know whether you are a midfielder or something. You are everywhere granting interviews and you are not doing anything. You are not doing anything. You are the worst performing minister. You are the worst performing appointee under the Mahama's government. If nobody is telling you, I am telling you in your face, you are not doing anything. Going after fraud boys isn't an achievement. Going after alleged fraud boys isn't an achievement. As a communications minister, all that you can do is to chase fraud boys, alleged fraud boys. You're not doing anything, bro. If nobody is telling you, I am telling you in your face, you are the worst performing minister in Ghana right now. You are the worst performing minister. Look at the likes of Asantewaa, the finance minister. Look at what he is doing. Look at what he is doing. Have you ever seen Asantewaa granting interviews? Have you seen Asantewaa doing that? He will never do that. Have you seen Sami Jemfi? Look at what Sami Jemfi is doing. Look at what Sami Jemfi is doing. Ghana has stabilized it all because of the field of Sami Jemfi. Because what generated some amount of dollars be or the gold now backing economy. See the number is strong to the point. Say Asantewaa in Mrempo. That is what we want to see in the country. You are everywhere. You are everywhere granting interviews. Meanwhile, the right thing that you are supposed to do, you are not doing it. Bro, that is not what we voted for. That is not what we voted for. You are the worst performing minister right now in Ghana. If nobody is telling you, you are the worst performing MP. You are the worst performing minister right now. You are the worst performing appointee under the Mahama's government right now. Common data prices, you have not been able to reduce it. We all know. Common DSTV prices, you have not been able to reduce it. Going after an alleged fraud boys isn't an achievement. Chasing everywhere alleged fraud boys isn't an achievement. Point it on your chest. One single achievement. It is getting to 1 year since you became the communications minister. Point it out to me. One single achievement that you have achieved to help the administration of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Tell me one single achievement that you have achieved since you resumed the office of the communications ministry. No single achievement that you have achieved. Everywhere you are talking, everywhere you are granting interviews, every single place you are granting interviews. You are busy. Every day you are busy doing nothing. Every day you are busy doing nothing. Every single day you are busy doing nothing. And if the communications ministry is too big for you, maybe tell His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to reshuffle you to maybe the agric ministry or the tourism ministry. Because the agric ministry, I know you will fit that place so much. The communications ministry, it is very much sensitive. You cannot control it. Because how can a minister cannot be able to reduce common data prices? You call yourself a minister. You call yourself a minister, and everywhere you are everywhere chasing alleged fraud boys. You are everywhere chasing an alleged fraud boys. You think that is what we voted for? You think that is what we Ghanaians we voted for? We spent our time, joined a queue, and voted for you to come and arrest alleged fraud boys. What does arresting fraud boys have to do with my life? You as a communications minister that we voted for you. What does you going after alleged fraud boys have to do to benefit my life? That is not what we voted for. Look at what Asantewaa is doing. The lives of Sam George, the lives of Honorable Haruna Idrisu. Look at what they are doing. They are not talking. You are everywhere. You are everywhere talking. I am going to do this. I am going to do that. I am going to do this. I am going to do that. You are not doing anything so. You are not doing anything. And that is what it pains me. That is what it pains me. Those who are doing the legit work, those who are doing who are performing in their fields. They are not talking, they are not doing anything. But you that you are not doing anything, you are everywhere, you are everywhere, you are everywhere. Why? Have you seen Honorable Atuforsen, the finance minister? Have you seen Sami Jemfi, the gold board director? Have you seen what they are doing? Without any social media clouds, without granting of interviews, without doing cho-cho-cho on the social media and blah, blah, blah on the social media. Have you seen what they are doing? They are currently working effortlessly. And they are the few people that the media have been refused to talk about them. But they are working. You cannot take the victory that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has got in this his first year. If you are saying the story, you cannot take Sami Jemfi and Atuforsen from the story. They are working because they know what they have been voted for to do. No social media clouds, no granting of interviews, as Sam George is doing. But Atuforsen and Sami Jemfi, look at what they are doing. Because we can all attest to the facts. Before Honorable Atuforsen became the finance minister, the dollar was somewhere 17 cedis. We all know the dollar was somewhere 17 cedis. In a time frame of 2 weeks to 3 weeks, he was able to take the dollar all the way from 17 cedi, 16 cedi, 15 cedi, 14 cedi, 13 cedi, 12 cedi, 11 cedi, even to 10 cedis. And even at some point, it came to 9 cedi. At some point, it came to 9 cedi. Something that the NPP and the Bawumia government couldn't do in 8 years. Atuforsen did it in the time frame of 2 weeks to 3 weeks. So when he took the dollar from 17 cedi to 10 cedi, a lot of people were saying that it is just a camouflage. It is just a camouflage. You cannot hold it for even 1 month. But here we are. We are in December. But this man has been able to handle the dollar from January up to December. But no social media clouds. No granting of interviews because he knows what he has been assigned to do. And he is doing it. The same thing applies to Sami Jemfi. The same thing applies to Sami Jemfi. Look at the amount of money that Gold Board are generating monthly to support the Ghana cedi. Look at how strong the Ghana cedi has become against the dollar. This is what we want to see in the country as citizens. Not the likes of Sam George and the rest. Nobody is against him. But what he is doing, he is talking more than the work that he has been assigned to do. He is talking more than the work he has been assigned to do. Have you seen Honorable Atuforsen, the finance minister? Have you seen Sami Jemfi, the gold board director? Have you seen what they are doing? Without any social media clouds, without granting of interviews, without doing cho-cho-cho on the social media and blah, blah, blah on the social media. Have you seen what they are doing? They are currently working effortlessly. And they are the few people that the media have been refused to talk about them. But they are working. You cannot take the victory that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has got in this his first year. If you are saying the story, you cannot take Sami Jemfi and Atuforsen from the story. They are working because they know what they have been voted for to do. No social media clouds, no granting of interviews, as Sam George is doing. But Atuforsen and Sami Jemfi, look at what they are doing. Because we can all attest to the facts. Before Honorable Atuforsen became the finance minister, the dollar was somewhere 17 cedis. We all know the dollar was somewhere 17 cedis. In a time frame of 2 weeks to 3 weeks, he was able to take the dollar all the way from 17 cedi, 16 cedi, 15 cedi, 14 cedi, 13 cedi, 12 cedi, 11 cedi, even to 10 cedis. And even at some point, it came to 9 cedi. At some point, it came to 9 cedi. Something that the NPP and the Bawumia government couldn't do in 8 years. Atuforsen did it in the time frame of 2 weeks to 3 weeks. So when he took the dollar from 17 cedi to 10 cedi, a lot of people were saying that it is just a camouflage. It is just a camouflage. You cannot hold it for even 1 month. But here we are. We are in December. But this man has been able to handle the dollar from January up to December. But no social media clouds, no granting of interviews, because he knows what he has been assigned to do and he's doing it. The same thing applies to Sammy Gyamfi. The same thing applies to Sammy Gyamfi. Look at the amount of money that Gold Board are generating monthly to support the Ghana cedi. Look at how strong the Ghana cedi has become against the dollar. This is what we want to see in the country as citizens, not the likes of Sam George and the rest. Nobody is against him, but what he is doing, he is talking more than the work that he has been assigned to do. He is talking more than the work he has been assigned to do.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!